Hello students, let's begin today's lesson from 5th standard maths. Let's continue here. Introducing 8 and 9 digit numbers. So in the previous classes you have already learned till 7 digits. So let us learn from 8 and 9 digits. So 8 and 9 digits, first let us know about the 7 digit place values. So in the 7 digit place values, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 digits. Till 10 lakh it comes under the 7 digit. These place values are grouped into the periods. Now what are those periods? Now in the ones period, ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens, 100 comes under the ones period. So you could see here ones, tens, 100. This is one period. Then 1000, 10,000, second period. Then lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So these periods are grouped into ones, tens, 100. It's a one period. Once period, then the thousands period. In the thousands periods, thousands and 10,000s. In the lakhs period, lakhs and 10 lakhs. These are all comes under the 7 digits. Then what is in the crore period? Crore and 10 crore. So here the greatest 7 digit number is 99,99,999. It is the greatest 7 digit number. So if we add 1 to this 99,99,999, it will become the 8 digit. 8 digit. So 8 digit means obviously 8 digits we read it as a 1 crore. We read it as 1 crore. This comes under the crore period. Crore, 10 crore. So 8 digits is equal to 1 crore and the greatest 8 digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. This is the 8th greatest number. And if we add for 1, for 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999, it will become 10 crore. Means 9 digit number. 10 crore. So 7 digit number is 10 lakh. Then 8 digit number is 1 crore. And 9 digit number is 10 crore. So if we see this table till 9 digits, because you are learning here 8 and 9 digits number. 8 and 9 digit number is nothing but crore and 10 crore. So let us see here ones, tens, 100, ones period, 1,000, 10,000, thousands period, lakh, 10 lakh, lakhs period, crore, 10 crore, crores period. So in the Hindu-Arabic Indian system, we say it as ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So now if we see in the international system also you have already learnt in a previous classes till 7 digits. So in the international system, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. Next 100,000, million. 100,000, million, 7 digits. Next here, ones period. What are all the things comes under the periods? Ones, tens, 100. As it is same in the Indian system. Then next thousands period. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. This comes under the 1,000 period. Here 1 million means 7 digit number is written as like this. I have already told you from the right side 3 digits you have to put insert the commas here. So 1 tens 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. See, it's a 7-digit number. And here, obviously 7-digit number is 9,999,999. So if we add for this one, it will become 10 million. And which is the greatest digit here? 99,999,999. And if we add 1 for this, it will become 100 million. Let's see here in the table. So, ones, tens, 100. Same as it is. Then in the thousands period, in the international system, it is in the international system, in the thousands period, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And in the millions, million, 10 million, 100 million. So, it's very easy. Ones period, 1,000 periods, million period. Ones, tens, 100, million period. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, thousands period. Million, 10 million, 100 million is in million period. So you have here to insert the comma and write it in the Indian system as well as in the international system. Let us see what is given in the first one exercise. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It's in the Indian system. You have to write it in the Indian system. So in the Indian system, how you have to insert the comma? Last 3 digits, then 2 digits. So from the right side, 3 digits, comma, 2 digit, comma, 2 digit. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 18 lakh 24,627. 18 lakh 24,627. Let us see one more. Ones, tens, 100. Let us insert the commas. 3 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, 1. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 2 crore 35 lakh 67,802. So in this way you have to write here. Okay, try yourself. Now let us see in the international system. In the international system, the table is very easy. Ones period, 1,000 period and million period. So for the from right side, 3 digits you have to put the insert the comma here. 3 digits, 1, 2, 3 and 2 digits left. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So 23,845,671. Here 3 digits, comma, 1, 2, 3, 3 digits, comma, 1, 2, 3. So 359,702. Others you try yourself. Then in the next main, they have given you some digits. You have to form their greatest and smallest numbers. So greater and smallest number, it's very easy. For the greatest number, just to find out the greater number, bigger number here. So what is bigger number here? 7, next 6, next 5, next 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the same way you have to write here. So it will become the greater number. Then smallest. You have to go for here smallest digit. So smallest digit is here 0. But we cannot write 0 here because they have already given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. So you have to form the 8 digit smallest number. 8 digit smallest number ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 0 ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ so there is no value for the 0 if we take this 0 here. So to form 8 digit smallest number ನಾವು ಈ 1 ಅನ್ನು 1 ಬರೆದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 0 ತಗೋತೀವಿ. 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 7 digit number ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So if you fall ಅದಕ್ಕೆ smaller number ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 1 0 2 3 4 5 6. If you write like this you will get the smallest number same as here the smallest number. Okay. So that is what you have in this exercise. You have to write it in the Indian system, international system, and you have to write the bigger and the smaller number.